All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. Today is October 28th, 2025, Tuesday at 8:46 a.m. here. So we're more than 1 hour into the market, mountain time here. The market in general looks good. Nasdaq up 0.1, Dow up 0.5, S&P upward slightly. Volume is lower on both exchange. We are seeing some stocks on the move here. So we do have 20 stocks here. So yeah, market. I mean, there's some selling this morning, but in some growth stocks. But overall, it's not too bad. Let me just quickly bring up FFTY in the way the IBD 50. So it is running pretty good here. You can see this growth stock index continue to go higher. So that looks pretty good. Let's go to the index QQQ here. So this one, same thing here. We keep hitting new highs now, which is a good sign. Trading pretty tight at this moment. So it did challenge the bottom, the intraday low today. So we'll see if this can bounce back or not. That'll be important. But it is a very tight range, which is a good thing. Since we have a pretty strong few days now. And today's trading range is really tight. So even though like this is SPY here, even though it's trading, closer to the bottom range, but because of how tight it is, that looks okay. Dow Jones here continue to make new high. This one also showing strength. 5-minute chart here. Okay, this one's already bouncing closer to the high range here. So that looks really good. And then we have Russell, which gapped down this morning, has bounced back quite a bit. In fact, it already passed the intraday high here. So that's a very good sign as well. So here's the bounce right here. So yeah, overall, all the index look pretty healthy. And the growth stocks also look healthy. So I think, yeah, it's time. It's good time to find opportunities. Let's go to this list here with CCJ. It is not on my list, but this is uranium. Very powerful move. I can't remember. There's some news about it, but I can't remember what it is. Let's see here. So we have Palantir, Tesla. Let's take a quick look at those other ones too. Palantir holding pretty tight right here. So we clear this breakout zone, early entry line here yesterday. So today is holding tight, so that looks really good. So this is exactly what you want to see after it breaks out, is holding tight. Even if it doesn't keep going up, that's okay, but it has to hold tight. And we're seeing that right now. Tesla, this one slowly moving back on the right side. Looks pretty strong in terms of the slope there. That looks pretty good as well. Nvidia, let's take a quick look at that. Nvidia also bouncing strong right here. Slope is also pretty strong. So it looks really good. Like some of these leaders are pretty much showing strength at this moment. So a lot of these guys will be retorting, like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. Microsoft make a huge move this morning. It did pull back from the high, but it's still up 2%. It's kind of setting up for the earnings tomorrow. Amazon also came back a little bit above their red line, which is 50-day moving average. And Apple continued to show strength, with the iPhone sales doing really well. So that looks really good. Qualcomm yesterday announced chip new chips or something, and AI chips, and it soared 11% yesterday. Let's just take a quick look at that. Today it came back quite a bit, a little bit, so we'll see. From the top here, it reversed, and yeah. Um, Melly there. Actually, sorry. Let me refresh this. This look like from yesterday's news here. Today they will have lots of earnings as well. UNH moving. CrowdStrike is also moving. Global Foundry, NXP, I didn't do as well. CDNS lost 2%. DR Horton sold 6%. PayPal run up pretty strong here. Here's a big move. Let's look at the earnings. It's okay. It's kind of slowing down though, so but it definitely good reaction today. Regeneron also jumped 5%. Royal Caribbean dropped 7%. Sherwin rallied 5%. SoFi gained 3%. But that one has reversed, I think. So SoFi earnings look good going forward. So this is the problem today. It reversed from the top. We'll see if it finds support near the 10-day moving average. UPS also jump. Yeah, so those are the main news. I also have Wayfair reported. CLS also reported. Here's CLS, pretty big move this morning, up 10% at this moment even. Okay, just updated to 8%. Yeah, so it's still a pretty strong move. It pretty much went straight up in the last few days, so probably will have some digestion here. Let me go to this here, CLS, other stock, HWM in the industrial area that's moving. This one is slowly coming up now. KRMN. This one continue its run here. Looks pretty good. RBC bearings. So also nice uptrend here. Getting ready to break out. Looks pretty good. SPXC. This one also coming back on the right side. So a lot of stocks are coming on the right side of the base, right? Like, it's pretty good. VRT, we have some volatility right here on the earnings, and then since then it has pushed higher, new highs. Today it gave back. Not sure the reason, but it is giving back today. So we'll see if we find support. We have let's look at tech stock. Billy. This is a Chinese stock here, doing really well. I think it made new high this morning. So that looks pretty good. The other Chinese stock is Tues. This is in financial. This one also looking pretty good. Have a nice bounce this morning from the lows. So those are a couple of Chinese stocks doing well. The gold stocks are really taking a tumble. Like this AEM, even though it's bouncing, look at the slope of this downtrend line. It's not even near it. That's kind of crazy how it's such a sharp downtrend line. Uh, we have AMD, Nvidia. This AMD is just really strong. We talk about this almost every day. How the low channel line here and then the bounce of the 10-day, very strong. Okay, there's Shopify as well. This one is starting to move nicely. Also found support this morning on the lows here. Let's keep look at the list here. Margo Broadcom. This one looking really good too. It's yeah, it's trying to break out from this nice handle area. So if it holds here, that'll be promising. Um, Google looking pretty tight here, giving back a little bit. You see how a little bit extended it is right now. So it's normal reaction to give back a little bit. Credo, pretty tight action as well. Found support from yesterday's low close. So that looks pretty good as well. Momentum, big jump yesterday. Today's just holding really tight, 0.3% down. That looks pretty good as well. Those are some of the tech stocks that I see moving. Kavana is the one retail stock that I see moving today. It's coming back above this red line here. So it could be an early entry point, up 3% right now. We'll see if it can close strong today. On the health side, again, not many stocks are up today, despite the market is doing index doing well. So I'm not again, we'll see how it goes. But not a very strong day for growth stocks today, at least the ones I've seen. And ESPR making a move right now. It's bouncing strong off the 10-day. So that looks pretty good. Okay. Yeah, so that I think that was pretty much it. So not again, just we'll see if the market can pick up today. That's the key. Even though the index holding, but a lot of those stocks actually red in the red today. Um, so this is QQQ, very tight trading. It did break to an intraday low, but not that far off. So again, very tight trading. We could easily make new highs again if the market rebound from here. So we'll just watch to see that. SPY, very similar action here, very tight action. Dow, this one looks a little bit good as well because it's closer to the middle range and upper range. And then we have Russell, the bounce as well. So of course, anything could happen. It could come back and test the lows of the day. So those are things we want to watch out. But right now it looks pretty good. It's a nice bounce. Um, yeah. So thank you for watching. Have a very good trading day, and please like and subscribe.